There are many costs involved in running a business. Some remain fixed, such as rent, insurance, and most day-to-day labor costs. Others are variable and change depending on how many products the business produces, such as materials and as-needed temporary workers. How fluctuations in variable costs are used to calculate lost profits is explored in Short Trip Incorporated versus Westinghouse Engineering. Short Trip Incorporated contracted with Westinghouse Engineering for Westinghouse to purchase 100 circuit breaker retrofit kits every month over the course of a year at a discount for the volume purchase, totaling 1,200 units. The contract specified that Pennsylvania law, including the Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, would govern their agreement. By the end of the year, Westinghouse had only purchased 75 kits. Short Trip sued Westinghouse in a New York state court for tort claims. Westinghouse removed the action to the United States District Court for the Western District of New York. Short Trip then amended its complaint to assert a claim for breach of contract against Westinghouse for failing to purchase the remaining 1,125 units. The district court dismissed the tort claims and granted Short Trip's motion for summary judgment on the breach of contract issue. Short Trip argued that lost profits of $530 per unit were the appropriate remedy. Short Trip got its figure by subtracting the direct variable costs of labor, materials, and packaging from the contract price. Westinghouse argued that lost profits must account for other increases in variable costs needed due to the increased production volume, such as increased expenses for machine repair, office supplies, and electricity. Based on the income and deductions reported in Short Trip's tax return, Westinghouse estimated lost profits at just $19 per kit. Short Trip didn't supply evidence of how the increased production volume would have influenced its variable costs. It simply argued that there wouldn't be a change beyond the direct costs it already accounted for. Without such evidence, the trial court used the estimation from the tax return. Short Trip appealed to the Second Circuit.